Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can add image to your Photoshop for designing, how you can import image to your working space in Photoshop. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and website development. So first method, you go to the menu bar, then you click on the file, then you come to place embedded. So you come to place embedded, then you go to the place you save your folder or the place your image is. So my image is within Photoshop 123. I'll click on it. I want to add a background image and that image is within the background. So I'll then double click on the image and it will automatically be imported to my working space. So I can do same and add as plenty images as I want. So I'll go to file, place embedded, then it will take me there. I'll click on, maybe I'll select this and click on place, or I can also double click on the image and it will take me, or it will automatically be imported. So the other method is you can also go to the file and then you click on this, the art image, then you drag and drop it to the working space like this. You can also go to that same file, you click on it, then you drag it and drop it to the working space. So you can add as many as images you want to add. You can also create this and then I'll then come here and take the image from here like this and then bring it to the Photoshop and it will open like this. Then I'll send it here and import it. So for that one, so you can do same. So I'll minimize it, come and choose the image and bring it to the Photoshop at the down bar there. Then I'll add it. So anyway, you want to add your image based on these three different ways you can do so to add image or import your image to Photoshop for your designing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get any new updates or weekly videos on Photoshop and website. Like, share and give your comment. Goodbye.